Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. Today I gonna show you this bread Manchuriya, how to create bread Manchuriya. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, take a bread slices and make a small pieces and grind it well. Make a bread powder. Okay, and pour it that powder into a big bowl. Okay, now take ginger, garlic and green mirchi and black pepper. Okay, now these are also mix it and make a paste. And now add 2 spoons of salt on that and make a paste. Okay, in that bread powder, okay, add carrot, cabbage and capsicum. I already cut the small pieces. Okay, now mix all well. Okay, now add that paste. I already prepare ginger, garlic, green mirchi and black pepper. Add that paste into this mixture and mix it well. Now add 2 spoons of corn flour on that mixture and again mix it well. Okay, now add 1 spoon of water, 1 spoon only. Okay. Okay, now that the mixture, make a small balls on that. Okay, little bit add oil or ghee for non-sticky of your hands. So the balls is ready. Okay, now take a pan and flame on it. Okay, and pour the oil on that. Now heated the oil and roast the balls on that. Okay, the balls was roasted golden brown color. Now take a plate and take that balls into a side. Okay, now take another pan and pour it 2 spoons oil and add onions on that and roast the onions. Okay, the onions was roasted. Now add 2 spoons of tomato ketchup on that. Okay, now take a small bowl, add 1 spoon corn flour and 1 spoon red mirchi powder and 1 spoon salt and 1 spoon water and mix it well. Please subscribe my channel guys, never miss another update video. So hit the bell icon guys for notifications, press all. Okay, now add that corn flour mix into onions mixture. Okay, now add curry leaves and coriander leaves on that onion mixture. Okay, now add that Manchurian balls on that onion mixture and mix it well. Now the bread Manchuriya recipe is ready to eat. Take a bowl and serve it with sauce and curry leaves and coriander leaves and also raw onions. Hey guys, this is the bread Manchuriya recipe. If you like this, please like this video. Keep smiling. Bye guys.